Right. So what do you think, babe? You look very sexy. Ooh.
Really? Thank you.
They're the new shoes I bought you. Oh.
Yeah. We decided that what's it called? Tomorrow na lang. We can give the candies tomorrow because the floor is wet.
Floor's wet and the sky's black.
So it can look.
Yeah.
It'll be mess. Right? Especially my new shoes. It's not good if I will go there.
Yeah, that's true. So
I'm so excited to give the candy, but unfortunately we are planning to what's it called? Postpone.
yeah, we've got to postpone it. For them who's not watched the previous video, today is the 24th, so it's Christmas Eve, and we were going to give ice candies away up to 100,
yeah, and then we will
and lots of candy and then
shower.
throw candy as well.
Do you remember that about when we throw the candy? Why you throw it instead to give? Do you remember that? Have your subscribers message about that? Why you
Oh yeah, that's what they do here anyway.
Yeah.
What we want to do then, can I get the back to the sun, Mel, because it blanks the stand over there thing. So what I want to do again is thank all our patrons, long and recent, for their support. It's been really fantastic, and all our subscribers. Sorry babe, you want to go that way?
Yeah, I can. Yeah.
And all our subscribers for their support again.
Always support to us, right?
Yeah. I've got some information for American subscribers which I'm really excited about. I'm sure you've seen on other videos I've said I love Americans, I love America, and you know, they're the most kindest, generous people on the planet. They really are, and my subscribers stands to that, because most of my subscribers are American, by the way. Most of the people I've met are American, and they're so generous and got big hearts. The news I've got and I'll leave a link in the description below so you know that it's concrete, solid information. It's not hearsay, basically. Now, I don't know how many in Europe and other places followed 9/11, but I knew at the time of 9/11 that I smelt a rat. Something wasn't right, and you know, evidence was being destroyed and all that. I know I'm going off subject of the Philippines, but I'm really excited about the news. Basically, guys, a grand jury's been impaneled to investigate 9/11, and as you know, in America, a grand jury has similar power to the AG and the president. They can subpoena anybody, arrest anybody. They can do pretty much anything they want. Now, when I saw the headline, I thought, yeah, you know, but I've actually looked at the video, and the people on the video are very credible. They basically know what they're talking about, and they've got, you know, proof and all the rest of it. And I'd really like you to watch that video. I've downloaded it, so if YouTube take it off, then I'll upload it, but I'll upload it and then give you the link to it, because I really think people need to look at it, and all those, bless them, that lost their lives maybe are going to have justice now. I'll leave the link in the description below. Again, thanks to all our patrons, thanks to all our subscribers,
and then especially
to Bill. See, Bill's American. Now, that's not to say there's not kind people in England and all the rest. You know who you are. We love you to death. Thanks so much.
I will remind you about the slap you said.
Oh yeah, I've deleted and blocked lots of people because they're commenting on the funny bits we put into the videos. Now, Mel sits with me and laughs her socks off when I put these things in. right? She encourages me to do it. So,
That's right.
well, we think so, but it might be our sense of humour that people don't get.
Remember Kelly when she saw that, she laughed, right?
Yeah. Please don't leave messages that say you're offended by me looking like I'm slapping Mel, because it's all a bit of fun, guys.
Yeah.
You know, come on. Get real. I've never laid a finger on Mel. I would never lay a finger on Mel. I love Mel to death. She loves me. You just said the other day how loving I was, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't like that because I'm putting words in your mouth. If I say something to try and encourage it, she'll not know what I'm on about, so I've got to describe it. Everything's wonderful, everything's brilliant between me and Mel, and hopefully 2019, all these videos, guys, are about our journey. And as the kids get older, I can't wait to see how they handle the language. English, Bicol, Tagalog. My son's pretty clever. He's showing he's quite clever, isn't he?
Yeah.
Which obviously he doesn't take after his dad. I don't mind comments.
It's always serious.
Yeah, I don't mind comments when it's a balanced comment and that's it. It's respectful. But unfortunately, all these that I'm blocking, they're not respectful. Yeah. But you know what I found out as well when I've investigated? All these that make these stupid comments aren't subscribers. So anyway, getting off a negative note, we're going to do the sweetie thing. We might even do it today if it dries up. I mean, if...
How about here? We can do it here, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, there's
I don't know. It looks like the sky's clearing, Mal.
Let's see later.
Yeah, we'll see later, because we're going into Centro again, but we're not taking the Centro video, are we? Because what, we're going to take the Centro video again? No, I don't think people what?
No need.
What we've got here is failure to communicate.
A very, very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all our subscribers. We appreciate you all. Do you know what? I know a lot of bloggers say this, not just Philippine bloggers, but we've got the greatest subscribers, generous, kind. We really have, because although I have to delete a lot, it's nowhere near what I used to have to delete. So things have calmed down a lot, which is great.
For the candy.
So we want to congratulate Elgin as well.
Yeah, and then Hannah.
And Hannah.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
I hope it's girl.
Yeah, because they're having a baby.
They want girl.
Yeah.
Hannah.
We love you both, and we are going to come and see you.
Yeah, soon.
Yeah, soon.
What?
So
Waiting for candy.
when you're ready, look at these. They're all been told that there's going to be candy and ice candy. Yeah. You'll probably be seeing the other video pretty quickly. So that's it, guys. We'll see you on the next video. So until the next one.
Yeah. Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our videos.
Please share our videos. That's very important.
You have a new beautiful.
Oh.
I'm not kabali there.
You're not what?
I'm not kabali.
I'm not.
I'm not the body. What's that mean?
I'm not joining there.
Oh, right. Okay, that's fine. Please subscribe and share our videos. The sharing bit's very, very important. Share whatever video you want. I don't mind. It's great. And don't forget to visit our new revamped website. Compliments of Christopher Monk, who's also a patron of mine. I mean, how good's that? He's done work on my website free of charge, and he's contributing to our patron. Yeah. Amazing. Thanks ever so much, Christopher. A very Merry Christmas to you, my friend.
God bless you.
Yeah, and have a great New Year.
Yeah. Bye.
Hello, my little chicken. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you being a good girl? Are you being a good little girl? Yeah. Daddy's little precious. Yes.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping